So guys, now we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. So the very first question of this chapter is that from the first paragraph, pick out two phrases which describe the desert as most people believe it is. So we've discussed this before also, that how the people believe that the desert is. So these are the two phrases that were there in the text. So the phrases were, first of all, it's an endless stretch. Of sand, and again waterless and without shelter. These are the basic things what people think about it. Now pick out two phrases which describe the desert as specialists see it, or the people who study see it. So a beautiful place, home of variety of people, plants and animals. This is how the specialists see it. Okay. Now moving on to our next question, it says that the phrases on the left in the following box occur in the text. Yes, they occur, we have also discussed. Match each of them with a phrase on the right. So we are going to match it. So you're going to do that with me. So first one is an endless stretch of sand. So what do you think is an endless stretch of sand? Nothing but sand as far as one can see. An endless stretch means that there is just sand all over. This would be the first one, right? So the next one is waterless and without shelter. Now just quickly see what do you think is the answer. Waterless and without shelter. So waterless and without shelter means no water and no shade, which means that people don't have really like houses built over there. So this is the second answer. Now the third one is an oasis. Oasis, we discussed that it was a fertile place. So fertile place with water and plants in a desert. That's a fertile place. So that will be the third answer. So hidden by a cover of grass. What is it? It means that not visible because the grass is thick. Okay. So I hope it's clear to you. If you guys have tried along with me, just check your answer. So the order would be 3, 4. Yeah, it's 4. 3, 4, 1, 2. That's the right order. I hope you guys have understood it. Moving on to our next question, which says a camel can do without water for days together. What is the reason given in the text? In the text, we have also discussed that the reason why a camel can go without water is that camel sweats very less. Unlike human beings, we sweat a lot. Camels sweat very less. That's how they can retain a lot of water in their body. Okay. Moving on to the next question, how do the smaller desert animals fulfill their need for water? This also we have discussed that what do they do basically during the day? They hide themselves, okay, they hide underground in the burrows, and at the night when the temperature cools down, they come out and they find something to eat. So talking about the animals that eat other animals, they get water in the form of moisture in the meat, and again the animals that eat other plants only and seeds, they find their water in the form of plant juices that are present in them. I hope it's clear to you. Now moving on to our last question, which says that in a desert, the temperature rises during the day and falls rapidly at night. Why so? It is because like the air has moisture. Moisture covers the surface of the earth and protects it from the heat of the sun, the direct heat of the sun. So basically because of lack of moisture, there is no moisture in desert area. That's why we see so much temperature fluctuations, and that is why temperature rapidly changes, like from day to night. There is a lot of variation in temperature just because of there is no moisture in desert area. I hope that the text as well as the question answers are clear to you guys. We'll be meeting in our next video. Till then, take care and keep learning.